Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to enable desktop notifications for Gmail. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To enable desktop notifications for Gmail, open your Gmail account and click on gear icon on upper right corner. Quick settings has been opened. Now click on see all settings. Now scroll down. Here under desktop notifications, you will find three options here. New mail notifications on, important mail notifications on, or mail notifications off. By default, mail notification is off. Now I am going to turn on new mail notification on. You can also turn on important mail notifications also. I am going to select new mail notification on. And here also you can select a mail notification sound. Click on the drop down and you can select mail notification sound from here. Now scroll down and then click on save changes. Now desktop notifications for Gmail is enabled on my Gmail account. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.